afraid watch the computer now. To a man named Sean, and his wife Carolyn. They do a vlog, and didn't you know it? They got the swag and they ain't afraid to show it. Come on now, it's time to go. It's time to watch the Bracketeers show.
Hey.
Hi.
Sean's looking for a belt.
A steel wallet.
What do you think about suspenders? You should wear some suspenders.
That would just be so cool.
That'd be awesome. Dude. So he can't find the right size belt, and he only wants a stretchy one, which would be these. But the only one in his size is the brown, and he doesn't want brown.
Yeah, because the black goes with everything.
Yeah.
Brown doesn't really go.
But if you're wearing stuff and it's like underneath the shirt, it won't matter so much.
I guess.
I don't know. You can just wait and look in another store if you need to. Okay. So let's go get us some fruit.
Oh, hey guys. Are you guys easily impressed? I can make some cool sound effects. What kind of sound effects can you guys make? Or what kind of like voices? Do you guys like to do voices and imitations and impersonations and all that kind of stuff? There's this one sound effect I can make by touching myself almost anywhere on my head. And in some ways I don't even have to touch it. But I can make this little raindrop sound. Most of you have probably heard it, but I can do this. Check it out. Alright, now I can also make this sound by doing it in different spots. I can do it under my chin. I can knock on my head. Or I can even do this. So that's kind of cool. That's stupid. Sorry. Don't make fun of me. I'm on YouTube. Don't make fun of me. I can do some voices. Hello, Kermit the Frog. Piggy. Stitch. Ohana means family. Family means nobody gets left behind. I'm lost. Pikachu! Pikachu! I've lost my touch on some of these. It's a me, Mario! Which ones can you do? Put it in the comments below which ones you can do. And I mean, they used to have video responses. You can't really do video responses anymore, so you can't just like send me your video response. But if you have a cool sound effect that you make and you put it in your video, send me the link or something and I'll go check it out. Okay? Because I want to see what kind of sound effects you can do. Maybe I'll feature you in a video or something if you can do a sound effect that works for me. That'd be kind of fun. What if I did a big collaboration and I did a whole bunch of stuff with a whole bunch of people that did different voices and different sound effects, and I put them all together and just made this little mashup of stuff and tried to make a little story out of it. If I got enough of them, I could do that. But I'd have to have a ton of them. So share this with your friends. Get them to send in a video clip with, and in that video you have to put that I have permission to use your content. Otherwise, I'm not touching it. Okay? This is a serious business, man. YouTube does not mess around when it comes to copyright stuff. You know, you steal someone's video clip, you're in trouble. So in the description box or in the video, you can even say it that I have permission to use the video clip. So, okay. That's kind of what I want to go for today. That sounds fun. Alright, thank you very much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, give her a little thumbs up ski. I'd enjoy that. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, boy, are you missing out. We do a video every single day. So make sure you get subscribed so you don't miss out anymore. Let's cut over to the end slate. Here we go. Deuces. Pow! Piggy! focus and sleep. Subscribe before it gets too late. Just click the golden button today, and you get a new vlog to watch every day. Thumbs up, subscribe before you go. I'll click around to watch.